Hello ladies and welcome to my channel. If this is the first time you are watching my video, please subscribe and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get new video updates. Mask is almost a must-have skincare product for every girl. But while the girl is applying the mask, they often overlook the care of their hands. The appearance of your hands can also reveal your age. If you don't want your hands to be dry and rough, start your hand care now. Don't want to invest too much? Homemade recipes not only natural and safe, but also very cheap. Well, today I'm gonna share with you this magic recipe for your hands and feet. Just try it and the result just wow. Let's firstly talk about what causes your hands to become dry. People who wash their hands multiple times daily with strong sanitizers are more likely to have dry hands. Those who spend a long duration washing dishes also tend to have dry hands. The strong surfactants in detergents and soaps can strip your skin of its natural oils, causing your hands to become extremely dry. Other skin disorders like psoriasis and eczema can also cause your hands to go dry. Well, all we need here is 1 egg yolk, 1 teaspoon of honey, 2 teaspoons of olive oil. Egg yolks are rich in lecithin, an emollient that helps condition the skin. It's usually used in skin conditioning agents. Honey can hydrate, soothe, and moisturize your skin. The emollient nature of honey can soften your hands. Olive oil helps moisturize your skin and make your hands soft. Mix egg yolk and honey with your hands or a blender very well. Add olive oil and mix. Then leave it for about 35 minutes. And you can double this quantity and put it in a container and keep it in the fridge. After that, you can apply it on your hands or feet. Gently rub it for about 3 minutes into dry, cracked or flaky areas. Before applying it, wash and wipe your hands very well. Apply it and leave it for about 20 minutes and rinse it with warm water. And that's it. It's so simple and easy. I recommend you to do it before bed for best results. Try it 4 times a week, for example, Sunday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Friday. You will get softer and baby hands naturally. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friend. And thank you so much for watching.